What if the US Mint has stopped making these 2021 silver and gold eagles already, and you won't see any new ones shipped to dealers until the new designs are released in mid-July? I will share the evidence I've uncovered, including words from the US Mint Director, David Ryder himself. Stick around. Welcome to Silver Heist. Thank you to our returning subscribers and guests. We are a channel that likes to hold physical gold and silver. To support my creation, please subscribe. I believe the end of these 2021 Type 1 designs is already here. I know that there were rumors in February that the US Mint was stopping production and shifting into the new designs, but I held off on discussing those rumors because I did not see the evidence myself. But I have seen new evidence now that makes me go out on a limb to say that the Type 1 Eagles are finished. I will make the case based on the premiums being paid today, the mintages produced so far this year, and words from the US Mint Director himself, as well as words from a major online bullion dealer. So be prepared, because if these are finished, as I believe they are, premiums are about to explode until July and beyond. So what is your gut feeling? Is there more demand for silver and gold in 2021 or 2020? There's definitely strong demand in 2021. The demand in 2020 didn't really start until February or March of that year, after the stock market went down a bit. But unfortunately, with COVID, the mint closed down significantly in April 2020. So let's compare the mintages of 2021 to 2020. As you see here, the red is 2021 and the blue is 2020. There's 4 different sizes of gold eagles. The 1 ounce, the demand and the production is higher this year than past, but in the half ounce and the 10th ounce, they're a little behind, and the quarter ounce, they're a little ahead. I think the demand in 2021 is higher than last year, and that the mint should be way ahead of the blue production numbers. Now looking at silver, 2021 versus 2020, 2021 is slightly higher than last year. It's 13 million almost by this point. And once again, I think that could be a little bit higher, especially considering that the numbers in April of last year were dramatically lower due to the shutdown. So what you may not know is that the Silver Eagles are predominantly produced at the West Point Mint, and the gold is exclusively produced at the West Point Mint. Well, so actually the numbers I'm showing you are from multiple mints for the silver, because there's been some emergency production at both San Francisco and Philadelphia this year already. Okay, so we have official US Mint numbers from their website. They are supposed to update these numbers once a day, and they have not updated the numbers in a while. So there's a slim chance that they are just really bad at record keeping, but I think they are just flat out not making coins. So for the gold, there's a 1 ounce, half ounce, quarter ounce, 1/10, and for the silver, it's the 1 ounce eagles. And what we're going to look at is the mintages for each month, and then we'll see the pace and see if it has dropped off. Because there was a rumor it was going to drop off in February, and I did not promote that rumor because I saw the numbers coming in week after week. So let's see what happened. Okay, so in January, they were off to a strong start. And in February, I did not promote the rumors because I saw them producing a decent amount of Silver Eagles. Now, a little less fractional than I would have liked, but they were putting the gas onto the 1 ounce coins. And a very good March for silver, bouncing back on some fractional, took a break from the halves, Slow down on the ones, but overall a good month. No sign of stopping. But then this happened. The Silver Eagles, 1 million coins. So dramatically slowing down. And the Gold Eagles, slowing down on the 1 ounce for the fractionals. None, none, and none. No wonder the premiums are so high. And here are the totals. And so my interest is not in a bullion coin being collectible. I've covered this before. I think this is too high a number to be considered collectible. 13 million is a lot of 2021 Type 1 coins. I don't think they'll be collectible, but that might be the last you see of them. And nor do I think these are collectible, but I think this may be the last that you see of them. So the premiums are so bad. How bad are they? Let's take a look. All right, so let's check out the prices for the different size gold eagles. The Silver Eagle, the spot price on May 7th is $18.31 for gold and $27.40 for silver. So let's look at findbullionprices.com and hunt for the best prices for the coins and see what the premiums are. All right, let's look at the silver. The best coin price was $38.29. That is a 39% premium, up to 51% because other dealers were even higher. And how are we doing with the coin price of the Gold Eagles? $2,077 for 1 ounce, $10.55 for a half, $5.69 for a quarter, $2.72 for a 1/10. And to help you with the math, the premiums are super high. 9 to 11% is twice what it could be, but these might even be worse. Half ounce, 24 to 52%. Quarter ounce, 15%, which was the outlier, and then they went a lot higher, up to 47%. And the 1/10 best deal, 48% premium, up to 59% premium, if you can even find them. So I will flash the raw numbers, and you can see how few sites are actually even selling these coins. Let's look for some further evidence from a major online dealer, Monument Metals. All right, the 2021 Type 1 they have in stock, but $40. But they are taking orders for the Type 2 Silver Eagles. But it's pre-order. Estimated to ship late July, $39. But this is where we get insight from the president and founder of Monument Metals, the new Silver Eagle, What to Expect. It's a blog written by Jonathan Swires on April 28th. Changeover was planned for quite some time. It is celebrating its 35th anniversary. However, by coincidence, the new motif is debuting when physical silver demand is at record highs. The new Type 2 2021 Silver Eagle is expected to be released in early mid-July. In anticipation of this launch, it's believed the U.S. Mint has already begun production of 2021 Type 2 Silver Eagles. A small number of 2021 Silver Eagles, Type 1, were released to distributors in April, and we're told that few, if any, will be made to distributors between now and the Type 2 debut. We've already seen that in the mintage numbers. This extremely limited supply, along with intense physical silver demand, has resulted in strong premiums for all Silver Eagles. ASCs of any year are commanding robust prices, but the 2021 Type 1 coins are especially hot right now. Now let's hear from the U.S. Mint Director, David Ryder himself, in Coin World, This was a different news story about the Morgan and Peace dollars may become an annual series, and this came out on May 7th, 2021. So this story was about Morgan and Peace dollars, how they could be an ongoing annual series. Mint Director David J. Ryder raised that possibility during a May 4th Microsoft Teams video conference with numismatic journalists. But deep in this story is the buried headline: Other Mint Insights. Ryder said the U.S. Mint was challenged with the 2021 Morgan and Peace dollars to secure sufficient planchettes and coordinate output from 3 different separate production facilities in 3 different states. The Mint was able to secure 1,075,000 total planchettes for production spread amongst the 6 different coins at 3 mints. And here is the news. Ryder was at the West Point Mint the weekend of April 9th to witness the production of the last 2021 American Eagle, reverse of 1986 Silver Bullion coin, and the start of production of the 2021 American Eagle, reverse of 2021 Silver Bullion coin. The reverse of the 2021 Silver American Eagle Bullion coin is to be introduced sometime in June. So I don't know what they mean by sometime in June, if they mean the images of the first coin will be released to the public, or are they slightly moving the distribution up from mid-July to June. And this story is strictly about the last of the Silver Bullion coin. So I'm going out on a little bit of a limb to say we've also seen the last of the American Gold Eagles. But I know this, based on the word of the U.S. Mint Director, this is the last of the 2021 Type 1 Silver Eagles. We will not see any more made. The few that they made in April have probably already been distributed, and they are sitting in the dealers' vaults. The premiums, as I showed you, are high, and they will only get higher because with no relief in sight until July, we have 60 days of building pressure and building premiums to deal with. So the same holds true for the Gold Eagle. I did not see any production of the fractional ones in the month of April. What can you do in the face of the rising premiums in the fractional gold coins and the Silver Eagles, which are off the charts? And if you're a 1-ounce coin collector, you may think those are high too. On the gold, I would say save your money until the new ones come out, or find a non-US 4/9 fine alternative for gold. And as for silver, I just made a video about my first silver kilogram bar. If you'd like to see how I chose a kilogram bar over all others, please watch my featured video.